Arne Slot needs to do something about his tactics. And I mean, I'm serious about this because I think if you look at the form where Liverpool actually started losing games, drawing games, and then there was no hope of them winning a game every time they were going to play a game. They were like the new Spurs. Like, you don't expect anything from them. But then it's because everyone has been crying about the way Salah is not performing this season, and it ended up with him actually decided, you know what, I'm going to speak out because I feel like people are throwing me under the bus. And now I'm looking at all this and I'm like, Arne Slot, you the guy that came in last season, you won the league, you showed everyone that it's actually possible to come in the Premier League and just win the league. And I mean, it was not the first time. Antonio Conte did the same thing with Chelsea in 2016-17. So everyone was just happy, especially Liverpool fans. But now, the problem is when you started this season as a defending champion, you were looking actually nice. 5 games in a row, you were winning. But then, I've been saying in here in my channel that I was really not confused with the way they were winning games, because it wasn't like they were playing as a defending champions and then they were convincing that they actually know how to get goals, because Salah wasn't really at his form like now. He's been struggling this season. But then I think it was one of those things where you realize that this is the team that it's not like they were winning because they have something, but we will keep on saying like, it's a championship mentality. Now, when we want to see the championship mentality, they lose games like this one. And if you remember the fixture, in the first leg of this fixture, actually, the game at some point was like 2-2 because Bournemouth was not actually backing down from Liverpool, even though the game was playing at Anfield, which I think it was an advantage for them. But now they are complaining about it, especially the Liverpool fans. They're like, when it comes to Klopp was took them from doubters to believers, and this guy is taking them from believers to doubters. And I mean, that will be a sad moment if I was a Liverpool fan. But I think the problems that they actually have in that team, it's the defense. And I think spending all that money in the attack that is actually not working, and to have a defense that performs like that, I think it's really a problem for them. And I think when Alexander-Arnold left, even though I'm one of the people that don't believe that Alexander-Arnold was developed well, because I think he was supposed to be developed as a midfielder because he can't defend. So, but at least if he was there, he was a guy that will always be there. Even he will defend, maybe he's not that good, but he was helping with actually going forward in the attack of the team and creating more chances because he was able to find Salah actually. But then my thing is Bradley, I like Bradley a lot, but now I think Bradley has been injured. Okay, Frimpong as well. I've never been convinced with Konate. I've been saying this. I've never been convinced with Konate. I think everything was just going well, so he was looking like a good defender. He's just an okay defender. And I mean, I don't know what the hell Kekes is doing. And I mean, ever since he came to Liverpool, he looked like a player that doesn't know how to play football. And I mean, I think it's so frustrating for Robertson on the bench, because everyone else can see that I am supposed to be playing if I'm Robertson, but then Robertson is sitting there on the bench, and now Spurs is looking at that option because he's left with 6 months in his contract. So Spurs is looking at the option of taking him out. But I think Arne Slot needs to make sure that he fixes this defense. And now their target as well that they tried to sign in the beginning of the season, Gay went to City. And I think they have more problems to solve at the back. They need to make sure that they make a Bradley actually to stay fit, because I think it's been a problem with him. I think he's injury prone. And then I think they will need another centre back and they will need another left back, because I'm not sure if this is the road they want to take to continue with Kekes, unless they're going to give him another chance next season to see what he can give them. But then another thing, I think it's just frustrating for Liverpool fans spending all this money, especially on Isak, who's just sitting on a bench, not doing anything. I know he's injured, but I think Liverpool fans knew that the guy was injury prone even at Newcastle. That's why most of the time he was shining in Newcastle, because think about it, Eddie Howe created the attack around him. So they were creating more chances for him. So I think it's going to be a problem for Slot going forward. I'm not saying they're going to fire him, but I think it's going to be a problem for the owners, because he has a lot of credit in himself, but now that credit, I think, is just decreasing as he not winning games. So I think at some point, if we continue like this, I think they will need to replace him. But maybe they will like, you know what, let's just let this guy try to figure out his own thing. And then maybe next season, if things start bad, then we can just fire him and bring in a new guy. So I don't know how that is going to help them, because sometimes you need to fire the guy so that you can give the new guy a chance to go to the preseason. So I think Liverpool, they're in trouble, because their next 2 games are at home, which is a good thing, but they are playing Newcastle and Manchester City. And Manchester City, it's now the time for them to actually pick up that pace, try to fight Arsenal. And I think it's going to be bad for the champions to be fighting for the top 4 with the teams like United and Chelsea. So yeah, we'll see going forward. So what are your thoughts with Arne Slot? Do you think Arne Slot needs to stay at Liverpool, or you need to go? Or do you have any tactical changes that you think Arne Slot needs to apply in his team in order to get wins? Make sure that you comment below and you subscribe so that you can get to the 10,000 subscribers. And thank you so much for all of you that have subscribed. Make sure that you like, and I'll see you on the next one.